So students, today we are going to learn read and write exercise of chapter 10, the rainbow. Okay, so let us start. Read the poem carefully, fill in the blanks using the words from the poem. Okay, boats sail on the river. Rivers. Okay, what is the meaning of SAIL? Sail means travel on water in simple language. Okay, yes, so boats sail on the rivers and dash sail on the seas. Ships sail on the seas. Okay, and dash sail across the sky. ACROSS, across means one side to other side. Okay, to something. So clouds sail across the sky. There are dash on the river bridges. BRIDGES. Okay, there are bridges on the river. Which type of bridges? Man-made bridge. Okay, on the river. But which bridge is beautiful? Rainbow. RAINBOW. Rainbow builds a road from earth to sky is more beautiful than the man-made bridges on the rivers. Okay, next, answer these questions. What is prettier than the boats and ships that sail on rivers and seas? So everybody knows now, rainbow is prettier. Now the prettier than the ships and boats is the rainbow that forms a bridge from earth to the sky. Okay, so we can say also rainbow is more than prettier. Rivers and ships sail on the boats sail on the river and ships sail on the seas. But rainbow is more than prettier. Okay, because of rainbow is natural. Okay, next, where are the bridges? So the bridges are on top of the rivers. Over the river, we can say over the river, but the answer is the bridges are on top of the river. Come to the next one. Which bow is prettier than all the other bridges and how? The rainbow bridges is prettier than all the other bridges because it is long, stretching from the earth to the sky, and it is colorful. Rainbow is colorful. 7 color. Okay, I told you now 7 color in the rainbow. First, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, and it means Vibgyor. Okay, next, learn interesting things. Okay, it means rhyming words, searching poem, the rainbow. So 2 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. SEAS, seas, THESE, these, seas, these. Please, crease. Okay, they are rhyming words. Next, exercise B. match these words correctly. It means some words in English always go along with some other words. Listen carefully students. Some words in English always go along with मतलब some other words. Okay, एक के साथ दूसरा word हमेशा इंग्लिश में यूज़ होता है. And they are usually used together. और वो हमेशा दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ में हम यूज़ करते हैं ना. So for example, wind blows, raindrops fall, sun rises, flowers bloom. Okay, so we usually say flowers bloom and not flower open, even though the meaning seems to be the same. So related to this words exercise, match these words correctly. Okay, take path, have fun, keep quiet, give order, heavy rain. Okay, so dear students, you have to do in your English first notebook. Okay, read and learn also.